Hello everyone, this is Lucy with another video, and in this video I will show you how to delete a Rednote post. So first open your Rednote app. Make sure you are logged in with your account in Rednote. After that, click on your profile, which is located at the bottom right corner of the page. Then click on your post that you want to delete. So here, click on the three dots, which is at the top right corner, right there. And now you need to slide these features and you'll see this trash bin icon with delete message under it. You just need to click on that and click on OK if you're sure you want to delete it. And that's all you need to do in order to delete your note in Rednote. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, do subscribe our channel.